Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week I'm going to teach you guys how to layer vinyl and create this super cute tumbler cup. I'll have everything I used in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and stay tuned. Alright guys, to begin this project we're going to start off with Design Space, and here I already have my design uploaded and it's way too big right now for my cup, so I'm just going to select all of it and change the height to 5 inches. And since I left this little lock over here on the bottom left corner locked, it automatically adjusts the width for me. And as you see on the right, I have quite a few layers, and right now I'm just going to change the lips to red because I just love red lipstick. And I'm going to change the background on this lettering to white. And then I'm just going to change the words to purple, even though I'm not going to be using purple vinyl, but the words in the head wrap will match, and I want it to print on the same mat. So once I finish all of that, I'm just going to go ahead and make it. And for this project, I didn't have enough black 651 vinyl. So I'm going to use HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl. And so for that, I'm going to click the black mat, and I'm going to reverse my image, because anytime you work with HTV, you need to reverse your image. Well, mirror your image, I'm sorry. And once I do that, I'll just click done, and I'll continue cutting my project. And once I have everything all cut, I'm just going to weed. And this vinyl right here I purchased from Amazon, and it's like a holographic vinyl, and it is so beautiful. Like, you really can't even see how pretty it is in this video, but it is so beautiful. But when I do cut this vinyl, I cut it on premium holographic. That is the setting I changed my Cricut to, premium holographic. And then I'm just going to continue to weed all my letters. And then once I finish weeding everything, I'll put it onto my contact paper that I'm using as my transfer tape. And I purchased the contact paper either from Dollar Tree, or I bought this super big roll from Target. And it's the clear contact paper that I used in the same project as when I did my umbrella. So if you haven't seen that video, you guys go ahead and check that out. So now that I have everything weeded, I'm going to take my HTV piece, and I'm just going to stick it onto the cup and smooth it out. And I'm going to use this mini iron that I purchased from Joann's, and I waited until they had a 60% off coupon. I purchased it like a year ago, so I don't remember how much it was, but I love this thing. It really comes in handy. And I'm using an acrylic cup, a double-walled acrylic cup that you can put hot liquids in, but it can't exceed 140 degrees. And I guess that's why I'm able to apply the HTV to it. I'm not really sure the reason behind it, but I know that I can. And so I'm just going over it really well, applying a bit of pressure, and I'm using the small corner tip to really get the thin lines right here. And I pull it back a little bit, and if I see any piece coming up, I just go over it again until it all sticks down. And for thin lines like her neck and things like that, you have to be really sure that you apply pressure, because they do come up easily. So now that I have that piece down, I'm going to layer my Oracle 651 vinyl on top. And this part right here is really just like fitting a puzzle together. I just lay it down and I slowly pull up at an angle, and I smooth down any pieces that may come up. And this, I see a piece I forgot to weed, so I'm just going ahead and weed it now. And same thing for her head wrap. Now you can put 651 vinyl on top of HTV, but you cannot put HTV on top of 651 vinyl. So if you do a project like this, the HTV has to be the base layer. And I'm just adding the earrings. And a holographic vinyl is a little tricky to pull off the transfer tape. So just be patient. Just kind of play with it a little bit and you'll get it. Look how pretty this is. Like, guys, when I say this vinyl is so pretty, this vinyl is so pretty. And now that I have that done, I'm just going to take the words and I'm going to layer them on top of each other before I apply it to the cup. Just like I did in my umbrella video. Don't forget to check that one out. And just apply a lot of pressure because this holographic vinyl is a little tricky to work with. And just slowly peel it up at an angle and just apply it. Now, once I applied it to the cup, I realized I should have moved it up a little bit more. But that's okay. It's my cup. It's for me. And that's it, you guys. This project is done. Now, once you put the vinyl and things on this project, you cannot put this in the microwave, and I would suggest you hand wash this cup to make it last a long time. I'm not sure if it's still dishwasher safe because I never tried it, but I would suggest hand washing and no microwave. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. And until next time, see you later.